So welcome everybody. My name is Giancarlo Brotto. I'm a global education strategist.
大家好，我是 Giancarlo Brotto.
Good morning. ¿Cómo están todos? Bien. Bueno, voy a practicar mi español un poquito.
Usually when we think of digital literacy, it's, hey, what are we going to teach our kids about digital literacy? The reality is when you look at the kids' world, literacy for them is digital literacy. We as educators and as administrators and people in the education space need to be the ones that start developing skills in digital literacy.
Now, what if I told you there was a better way to open a banana and that you've been doing it wrong your whole life? Would you believe me?
Yes.
You gotta say no, but show me the evidence, right? So to answer this question with the experts, the people that eat bananas more than us, which are monkeys. You've been opening bananas wrong your entire life, and today I have changed your life.
And so what I really like about this event is that the type of people that come to this event are the type of people that love to learn from people who have, knowledge and insight much greater than them. But at the same time, there's opportunity to engage and interact with other people.
And it's this barren desert. He's talking about this barren desert in California. There's nothing there. It's dead. It's just desert, right? Until it rained, and it turned into this. And what it taught the world is that it wasn't dead, it was just dormant. And it wasn't until it had the right conditions that it could flourish. And so many, many years ago, the first forms of education was someone who knew something, was knowledgeable, and got in front of a group of people and started sharing it verbally. And then they said, well, wouldn't it be great if our students knew this? And so they wrote them all down in books, they put a bunch of students in a classroom, and they sat there listening to the teacher. And that's where the term lecture, from Latin word leggere, lettura, comes from. The problem was it wasn't efficient for the teacher. The teacher had to go to each student and write the letter or the number for every desk, and that wasn't efficient. And so the teacher invented the world's first blackboard by nailing a bunch of tablets to the front of the room. When he sings this song, he's teaching all of us a lesson. Very important lesson. It's the importance of opening the eyes of our hearts. Because your mind won't go where your heart isn't. If you don't believe that every single kid, no matter what their context, has the opportunity to do something great in this life, it's you that create the conditions to make that a reality. Thank you so much, guys.